Welcome to the channel again, and today we're going to be working on recipe. Got the silver run up. Started by taking it down bare metal, got a couple holes on this side. And over to this side. I started taking that one down. Using the 60 grit on the grinder. Okay, I'm going by with my pick, just cutting out all the ends out. So I get as much rust as I can. In the middle is solid there. Got a lot of rust in it. That here looks like dirt. That's taking much of it. And a full disclaimer, I'm by any means a professional body guy. They're gonna try to fix it as cheap as I can, cause it's my truck. Yeah. Let me finish getting the rest out, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, I just got my screwdriver and pushed all my 20 ends in. Then I took some 80 grit and went all the way around the edge for the rough it up so the bundle glass can stick to this. We're working with today the bundle glass. Got the regular body filler, lightweight body filler. Got the filler primer, self-etching primer. And got the body color, also the Olympic white. Got my 40 grit sandpaper, tape rag, bundle thread, and a skiffing pad. I also have this, the body patch. I'm gonna put it in the back of the hole, so my bundle glass will have something to grab onto. Like in here. I'm not worrying about it last too long, because I know the rest is already too far ahead. So if I get a year or two out of it, I'll be happy. So let me get started with the body patch. I'm gonna cut this to size that we sit in. Okay, I'm gonna get you back on when I get it on. Okay, mix my bundle glass up. Got to spread it across. It's already drying and getting hard. So just let this sit and get hard, then I'll come back. And I have the grater. I'm going to smooth it out, get it close, smooth as possible. Then we're going to hit it with the lightweight body filler. But I'll get you back out when I make any progress. Okay, after the bundle glass dried, I got my angle grinder with the 60 grit flat blade. I went and knocked down all the high spots. Then I came back with my sanding block with the 80 grit to smooth it out and see where all the block curlers is. There were air pockets for, and I'm gonna sand it down to get past the air pockets. Then I'm coming back with my lightweight body filler. And I'll get you back on when I make more progress. Okay, got my bundle of glass sanded down with the 80 grit sandpaper. I cleaned it off with the glass cleaner. I wiped it down with the microfiber towel. You know, if it mess up my lightweight bundle, and applied it. And then I got, so I'm finna sit up and get it on, and I get back on and show you how it look when I get done. Okay, I got my body filter laid out. I started sanding it at the back right there with the 80 grit, but it's already dry. And I laid it on the other side also. This side is halfway dry. So I'm gonna sand it down, get it as smooth as I can, even. I'll get you back on when I sand it down a little. See what I'm doing. I got my body filler smoothed on now with the 80 grit. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in these small little holes, stuff like that, with my glazing putty. I'm about to mix it up and fit it into this small hole and do a final sanding on it. Then I'm gonna come with, be ready for the primer. Got the glazing putty laid down. It's been on for like 20-30 minutes now, so it's good and dry, ready for the sand. So I got my sanding block. It's a 320 grit on it now. And I'm about to go across it, then I'll be ready for primer. I'm gonna get a mask up and I'll get you back on. Okay, got the glaze putty all sanded. Got it taped off with the bag. Lace this one up a little bit. But yeah, I'm about to start shooting my primer now. Wind kind of high right now, so I'm gonna let it die down a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot my primer. Do like 2 light coats. Got my first coat of primer on. Just did a light coat. You can still see some of the body work through the primer. And I went under here also. So yeah, it's just let this flash for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back with a second coat, a lot heavier coat. Then I'll be ready to sand it. I think I'm gonna do like 600 grit. Then I'll be ready for the body color. Got the second coat of primer on. So you don't see any of the body filler or anything showing through. I went a little heavy on that coat. I didn't cover the wheel. I don't care about the wheel getting painted. Let me take it around to this side. A lot better than it did before. Like I said, if I get a year or two out of it, I'll be happy. So, let that dry. Then I'll be ready for the come with the 600 grit. Then I'll be ready for the body color. Gotta sand the imperfections out. And get the scratches out. But I'll get back on when I make any more progress. And here's the progress after 2 light coats of the body color. I got the liquid white, and I taped off the 4x4 so I ain't want to get overspray on it. Yeah, after 2 coats, it's already looking a lot better. Right to the side. Thinking maybe one more heavy coat and it should fully fill it in. You can still see a little primer through. And after the body color, I have the 2K clear. So it should make it look a little better also. So I'm gonna let that dry for like 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back with another heavy coat and see how much coverage I can get. Then I'll be ready for the clear. Okay, this is how we looking after the second coat of clear. It blend very, so you can't tell it was damaged before. Okay, just gotta let this dry, and I'll update you on it, how it's looking after it dry.